Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the HTML comment. So HTML comment are not displayed in the browser, but they can help the document your HTML source. And this is the very important part when it comes to web development. So you can add comment to your HTML source by using the following syntax. As you can see, we have the arrows there, and then we have the exclamation mark, and then we have this. And then this is the way that we close it. This one helps us to structure our HTML and then also to leave some note for the other developer or for yourself in the future. So notice that there is an exclamation mark in the start tag, but in the end tag, but not in the end tag. So comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help document your HTML structure, your HTML source code. So add comment. With comment, you can place notification and reminders in your HTML code. So remember to add more information here. For instance, if you click, and then as you can see here, they're not displaying, but they are in the HTML here, in the HTML hidden. So this one is going to help you to start later. For instance, you are building a website, and then you build already a certain part of the website, of the sections, build section and stuff like that. So, but now you want to leave a note that you're gonna have to add another section so that you cannot forget. So let's copy this one. So remember to add more. Yeah. So you can see we have only this here at the bottom. You can see it's not showing. So this is gonna help you when you're having your HTML so that you can add your section while you are building the website page. So hide content. Comment can be used to hide content. This can be helpful if you hide content temporarily. Also, you can use this one here to switch off content. So for instance, the way that we have here, so you can copy, and then this, as you can see, is hidden. So this is a technique to hide the content as well. You can also hide more than one line, everything between, and then will be hidden from this stuff. So this is more than one line. So more than one line, or it can just be, you can hide later, for instance, like this. So this is a one line way of hiding the HTML. So that is that. And then after that, we have comments are also great for debugging HTML because you can comment out HTML line of code one at a time to search for errors. So hide inline content. So what is stuff we have here? You can use it also to hide certain part of a content inside. As you can see, this is a great text. This is a great text. And then after that, you can hide it. And then gone. So, okay, so this is the question I asked there. And then we have the video. So let's go now to DeepSeek to ask, what can a beginner learn about HTML comments? So always write so you're learning alongside with AI so that you can see different way of so it's compiling all those information in the net so that you can get certain information that maybe W3 School did not have. So HTML comments are written using the following syntax. So this is the way that you're going to use it for documentation, debugging, and collaboration. So documentation explains the purpose of a specific section of the code, debugging, temporarily disabling part of the code without deleting them, collaboration, leaving note for other developer working on the same code. So that is the purpose of it. And then those are the example given. So best practice for using HTML comments. So keep comment clear and concise. So write comments that are easy to understand. Avoid over commenting. So only add comment when necessary to explain complex or non-obvious code. Use comment for organization, group related sections of code, and label them with comments. So remove unnecessary comments. Before publishing your website, clean up any outdated or irrelevant comments. So things to avoid: sensitive information. Never include sensitive information, example password, API keys, in comments, as they can be seen by anyone viewing the source code. Excessive comments. Too many comments can make the code harder to read. So this is the example that they're giving. Define the character encoding for the documents. So this example. Set the viewport for responsive design. And then after that, we have the main header sections, navigation, main contents section, footer section. So this is the way that we use the comments. So key takeaway for beginners: HTML comments are written using this. They are ignored by the browser and are only visible in the source code. So use comment to explain, organize, or debug your code. Avoid including sensitive information in comments. So by using comment effectively, you can make your HTML code more readable, maintainable, both for yourself and for for others who may work on it. So this was a nice reading. Okay, so that's it for HTML comment. Thanks for watching this video. So click a thumbs up if you need to get more of this. Thanks.